Bottoms up. Man, I gotta go in again. Holy crap. Just so simple, yet so incredibly refreshing. I understand why this became a national treasure, basically. What's going on, everybody? My name is John Serwin, and this is my kitchen. Welcome. Today, I'm gonna show you how I made this, some homemade lemonade. Show you a few simple techniques to get the most out of your lemons and get that flavor just exploding with bright, delicious citrus. I'll show you the techniques and how it's done coming up. Stay tuned. To make up some delicious homemade lemonade, we have 6 lemons here that we are going to zest. Sometimes I'll use a microplane. This time I'm going to use a peeler to see if we can just get off the top layer without getting to the pith, which is actually, that's working out pretty beautifully. So I'm gonna zest these 6 lemons up and throw the peels right into this bowl. Here's our 6 lemons that we will be saving and we will be juicing, but that'll be a little bit later on. These are our lemon peels. We're gonna take 1 cup of sugar and pour it on in. This sugar here is going to help pull out all of that essential oil. Give this a good mix around. And we're gonna leave this anywhere from 2 to 12 hours. So this is a great thing to start in the morning or the night before, and then you can have it for the next day. But at least 2 hours to pull out as much of that essential oil as you can. Just gonna cover this in plastic wrap and leave it on the counter at room temperature. After 2 hours, this is what we have. The sugar has not fully gotten everything out, so you know what? We're gonna let this go for another, 2 to 4 hours. Come to find out, I'm gonna keep that fork in there actually. This is called oleosaccharum. It literally means oil sugar in Latin. It's a vintage cocktail ingredient made by macerating citrus peels with sugar, which draws out the oils and create a fragrant, flavorful syrup. And that's what we're doing right here, folks. So we're gonna leave this go for another anywhere from 2 to 6 hours. We'll see at what time frame we like how it looks. 4 hours later, and this is what we have. Let's go ahead. Let's push it another 2 more hours. We're gonna give this a total of 6 hours, and then we will start making up our lemonade. So see you in 2 more hours. Here is what our lemon peels and sugar look like after sitting for 6 hours. What we're gonna do is transfer it into a small saucepan, and we are now going to make a nice, simple syrup with the lemon peels, the sugar, and water. We're gonna do a 1-to-1 basis. I'm gonna try and get all that sugar I can out of there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour 1 cup of water in here, swirl it around to get all of that sugar out of there. So in goes our 1 cup of water. Maneuver it around as much as I can. It's going right on in. We are just gonna bring this up to a slight boil. All right, we now have obtained a boil, and we are gonna turn this off and just let this steep. I wanna extract as much out of that lemon zest as I possibly can. So let this come all the way down to room temperature before straining it. To assemble our lemonade, 4 cups of water in here. This is our simple syrup. We're just gonna pour it on in through a strainer into our water there. So far we've had the zest of 6 lemons, 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of sugar in our simple syrup, and we're just gonna press this as much as we can because we wanna extract as much possible flavor. All right, pressed as good as I can. We're gonna move this off to the side, and what we are gonna do with our 6 lemons that we had zested, we are going to roll them, slice them, and throw them into our juicer. Use whatever type of juicer you have. This is my bar juicer, so just do half a lemon. And we're gonna shoot for at least 1 cup of lemon juice. So it took 5 lemons to get 1 cup's worth, and we are just gonna strain this right on into our mixture. All right, we're gonna put this into the fridge and let it cool down because we will be serving it over some ice, and that should give us the proper dilution for some nice homemade lemonade. All right, folks, and there you have it. This is our lemonade. Yeah, did it take a little bit longer of a process? Absolutely, but did we extract the most lemon flavor we could possibly get out of it? You know we did, absolutely. The color of it alone looks phenomenal. It's already cooled down. We threw it on a cup of ice, and I'm not gonna lie, I've been outside all day working and doing a bunch of yard work and cooking, and man, oh man, I think I might still be sweating right now. So this is gonna be unbelievably refreshing. So nothing left to do but give it the old official taste test. Bottoms up. Man, I gotta go in again. Holy crap. Just so simple, yet so incredibly refreshing. I understand why this became a national treasure, basically. Super simple ingredients. What did we use? We used lemons, lemon zest, sugar, water, and holy crap, man, that tartness, that sweetness, it is just phenomenal. I see why people use it in cocktails all the time too. A little vodka lemonade, come on now. But yeah, I hope you guys try this out. Let me know if you do. It's a little recipe I kind of conjured up a little bit using simple techniques that I learned throughout the years, and yeah, extracting as much out of that lemon zest as we possibly could made all the difference in the world. Thanks for coming by, guys, and just remember, you're only making food out of ingredients till you sit down and share them with the ones you love. Then it's a meal, or then it's a drink. If this is your first video, welcome. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you are returning, thanks for coming back. Here is a video that YouTube thinks you might like. Here's a video that I think you'll like, and as always, if you could hit that subscribe button, that would be greatly appreciated. Come grow this community along with us. That'd be fantastic. All right, guys, till next time.